Hello everyone, welcome back to Natural A2, Nat Tuesday. It's been a little minute again since I've been on film to talk to you guys, and I felt it was very needy for me to talk about a topic about why certain women of our ethnicity, African American or African descent, can grow really long hair. Now, there are a few women that I'm going to talk about later in this video that I'm going to bring up about their hair. These women are like, almost to me, they're probably going to be close to the Guinness Book of World Record because their hair is past their waist. And these are African descent women. I presume that they are in the United States. I know there are a few other women in other parts of the world, but I'm not talking about the Chadian women. I'm not talking about those women in particular. I'm talking about women of Western culture, and they have very long hair. And I want to discuss this. I've been doing my research, and I tell you, if you really want to know more about what I'm going to talk about, please stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe. I want to get that out of the way. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get every video that I post. If you do hit the notification bell, you will get every video that I post. So, all right, just stay tuned and bear with me. I'm going to go into some things that's going to blow your mind. So I've actually done some research since I've been on my natural hair care journey. I've been doing the natural thing for 3 years now. And as you can see, my hair, it's long. I mean, right now I just got some threads around my ponytail, kind of like a banding method, kind of. But when I take it loose, it's pretty long. But I definitely am going towards getting that waist length, thigh length type hair. And I have been watching 22nd Century Woman for a little while, and there are a few other women. I came across one particular female, and there's another that have very, very long hair. And I look at the regimen of these women, I look at their hair care practices, and according to what I have found, it's really not necessarily the products only that's helping their hair grow. It's their hair care practice, their daily regimen or the weekly or monthly regimen that they're doing to their hair, and they're basically not over manipulating their hair. This is why the hair is retaining so much length. So I want to go and discuss this particular person, 22nd Century Woman. She's one of them. She's very good products, all natural, no chemicals, and her hair is basically waist length, probably past waist length now. If you look at her hair, her videos, and look at her hair care practices, you can see why her hair is like super long and it has grown super fast, because she has a steady regimen that she uses and she's never deviated from it. Now there's another particular girl, can't say her name off the top because she's someone I just recently came across, but you'll see, I'll just go ahead and put her name up where you can see her name. She basically has thigh length hair, and it's probably almost to her knees now. She doesn't use shampoo. She basically uses like aloe vera spritz, vinegar, whatever, for her scalp. She rinses her hair and she just twists. She just wears her hair and twists. That's it. And she uses oils to just to keep her hair moisturized. And her hair is very long, and her regimen is very simple and yet effective. My thing is, I tried to do for myself, I've been using natural products, but I've deviated a little bit because I wanted to, for my own personal hair, to basically have more moisture for my hair. But my hair lately it's already spoken. It's been 2 months now that I have not used anything other than my natural products. You haven't seen me for a while, but I have been using just natural, and my hair is thriving a lot better using my natural products. So getting back to, you know, I'm on to something with this, with our type of hair. Our type of hair, 4-3, 4B, 4 whatever, 4C, our hair is very unique. Our hair has to be maintained a certain way in order for it to retain length. If you're harshly combing your hair and brushing your hair and your hair is dry, you're going to have extreme breakage. This is why it's very important to spritz your hair with some type of moisture, like aloe vera or water or something, to get your hair soft, where you can manage it, manipulate it lightly, gently manipulate it without tearing it. So what I have found with our type of hair is that, like I say, if you on a strict regimen, and I am going to say protective styling. I like African threading because African threading allows me to leave my hair alone, and that's a good way to protect your hair, to leave it alone. And just, you know, when you wash it, you put, you know, you be easy on your hair. You put your leave-in conditioners, your oils, your butters, or whatever. But this other girl, I really like her method. It's very simple. I don't know if that method will work for me, but I am going to try it. And again, her name is right up there. Can't say it off the top of my head, but you'll see it right above my finger. I am going to try her method, but I am going to still use my natural oils, my natural butters on my hair itself, and you know, try my natural leave-in conditioner, because I realize that, you know, it's like this with your hair. If people really think that the products make their hair grow, it's not really the products that make your hair grow. Your hair is already growing. It's what you do to keep your hair from breaking that causes your hair to get longer and longer and longer. So I have a store and I have customers that come, you know, and they buy certain products, and they really want their hair to grow, and they really want their hair to be very, very long. The problem is that they're solely relying on the product to give them the results they want, but they're not really thinking that there's another addition to using the products. You have to have a certain hair care practice in order to get the results that you're looking for. It's like this when you think about it. When you get in your car, you have a vehicle sitting outside, you have to get to work. That vehicle has the capabilities of getting you from A to B, getting you, you know, leaving your home and going to work, and from work back to home. Now, you can't expect to just sit in that car and that car is just going to take you to work. Even though that car has the capabilities of doing what it can do, it can't do anything until you take the key, put it in the ignition, turn the car on, put your hand on the steering wheel, back out, or whatever you need to do, or drive away, and you're actively putting your foot on that pedal to drive, to stop, to drive. You are actively engaged in using that car, that vehicle. It's no different with your hair care regimen. You can't expect a product to be the magic wand that's going to make your hair be long. You have to actively do things to get your hair, like driving a car. There's a certain way you drive your car, and you have to do it repetitively. It's the same situation with your hair. You have to have a regimen that you do repetitively. You can't expect the car to go, just like you can't expect your hair to grow and just throw product in it and you don't maintain it, you don't wash it, you don't put it in a protective way that's going to keep it from being over manipulated. You just have a steady regimen that you use, And before you know it, your hair is getting longer and longer and longer and longer. So I have found with our type of hair that this is the only way. If you really want length, if you really want to retain longer hair, it's not going to be no other way than a certain hair care practice along with really good wholesome products. Now these women that I was talking about that have long hair, they just use all natural products. That's it. All natural. Now I'm not saying that you have to use all natural in order to retain length, because there are other girls out there that use commercial products and their hair is still long. But I have found if you're in your 40s, in your 50s and 60s, and you're going through hormonal changes, the best thing you can do for yourself is go to all natural products. Do not go to any commercial, because there are chemicals in it. Your body's going through hormonal changes. It is really not good for your body, because your scalp has millions of pores, very vascular. So whatever you're putting on your hair is getting down in that scalp, and it's getting down. And that goes for anybody. But women that are getting older are more affected because, you know, our bodies, you know, we're going through changes. So I'm going to do a part 2 on this video, but I just wanted to do, this is an intro because I want to dabble more into how you can get your hair very long. And I'm going to change my regimen up just a tad, just to see how long it can get. I'm going to take my hair measuring clip tape and I'm going to measure it. Today is August 3rd. I'm going to measure it. And by the way, I do have a 6-month hair growth study. I have a school. It's called Give Me Vitality School of Motivation. And I have a few models that are in this program that I have designed to help them retain length, and also not only retain length, but have healthy hair and lose weight. And I'll put that in the description as well. Of course, it's already started. You're going to have to catch it on the next one, which is probably, I'm going to start another one maybe in October or November. And this one that's currently going is going to end in January. The only thing with the one that's current, it is free, but the next one is going to be a paid course, which has a load more of information. I'll leave that in the description as well for you guys to kind of take a look at that. But I am going to let you guys go. I'm excited, and I'm really excited to pass on some knowledge based on the research I've done. And let me make sure my camera's still working. Okay, yep, it's still working. But I just want to say much love to you guys and many blessings. And please stay tuned for part 2. So until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless you.